Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is eMonk here, and I am here to show you how to create the Succubus Catherine look through makeup and hair. Now you will see somebody pop up in this video. This is Little Gray Bat. You can look at her channel through Little Gray Bat. I have her on my feature channel on the side if you get on the computer and look at my channel. Be sure to check her out. She hasn't posted anything as of yet, but she's going to here soon. She's currently working on how to create a decapitated bunny head. It's pretty interesting, so hopefully y'all check it out, and I hope y'all like this tutorial. To start off with, you're going to brush your hair, and then you're going to grab your bangs and pull it to the front. That way it's all to the side, and put your hair in pigtails. After that, bobby pin that side up, that way it doesn't get in your face. And start using the chalk and stick it in your hair. Unless you already have darker hair, or if you plan on using a wig, then just use some dye or a Sharpie with a little bit of alcohol. That will help spread it. But for regular hair, just use your regular chalk and just sit there and sift through it. It will get on your hands, so be warned that it is pretty messy. Now remember, for the Catherine look, you want your black dye to go about probably to right where your bra line is, if you want an accurate spot where her black hair starts. That is a perfect point to put in there. And like I said, just sift through each individual strand and try to spread it as much as possible. Now another thing I would like to add is go ahead and put on your shirt that you made previously, because it's going to be hard for you to put on your shirt whenever you get this hairdo done. Also, on top of that, you want to put a rag on beforehand. I didn't hear, but I found out later that I needed to. The reason why is because whenever you lay your hair down, it might possibly spread onto the shirt. Luckily, I was lucky and it didn't this time, but it also depends on which brand you use. So be sure to set a rag, that way it's covered. You will see it later that I did that. Now after you add that, what you're going to do is grab your hair and twist it, what's in the pigtail. You're going to use your Got To Be Glued and just work with it and try to saturate as much of your hair as possible and keep it twirled every time you do it. You're going to do this to both sides because she has drill curls, so that's the best way to do it with natural hair. Now if you have a wig, you could just use wire and the same method and it'll keep it in there. Once you get done twirling, at the end you want to give it a messy spiked look. So mess through the ends where you did the black and give it a spiky, messy look. Now at the end, whenever you fold up your hair, just fold it up at the bottom, grab another hair bow and just wrap it up. That way it keeps the curls in for future, and let it sit. We are going to move on ahead to the makeup while our hair sits here and dries. So start working on your lashes. Now let's grab your false eyelashes and attach it to the very eye mark, like the very, very low, as close to your eyelashes you could get as possible. This was my first attempt at false lashes, so Little Gray Bat is here to help me with that, as you can see. After that, grab some mascara and just whip it up into the eyelash to make your eyelashes match together. But be very gentle so your false lashes doesn't come off. Now get a hold of your white eyeliner and you're going to use your waterline underneath your eye and you're going to put it right there, as you can see. And here is the brand that I used. Now grab your white cream face makeup from Halloween and just wipe it all over your face so you can have a white face. And also be careful when you go around your eye, because you want to leave this area for the most part alone as much as you can, because you don't want this stuff to get in your eye. And make sure you get under your nostril and around your neck and the back of your neck, because that's what's going to be shown. Now get some white eyeshadow and follow along in the eye where you didn't go before, and then just grab your finger. And what I did is that I messed it up in the eyeshadow a little bit and rubbed it all over my face. I use this for my Harley Quinns anytime that I do those, and this also works well for the Catherine because it helps spread it and it gives it a wider tone. You just want to use, and it also holds on to this face paint stuff. You want to use this quite often because it actually uses less of that stuff, so you can use it for future. Now what I'm using for my lips is the same eyeliner I use for my eyes. Just rub it along the lips and act like it's lipstick and just spread it. After that, just go over with some clear gloss and you're good to go. Now to unravel our messy hairdo. Once you unravel the bottom ends, just pull along the drill curls and pull it out a little. That way it extends the drill curls and mess up your spiky bottoms a little bit. Now grab a friend or do this yourself and grab some pipe cleaners, or fuzzy sticks as I like to call them, and wrap it around the black, and it's going to spread it out. It's going to help it look like messy hair, and it helps the little spikes at the end of hers. It's just a cool little visual effect to help get the exact effect that you need for your hair. Now you're going to grab your hairspray and spray your hair to help settle it in. Next is to start working on the bangs. You're going to grab your horns that you made previously, and if you have a headband, wrap your long hair around it and up underneath it. This will help create front bangs like you see a lot of anime girls have. And this will give you the bang effect for your character that you need. It's a perfect way to make long hair short without having actual permanent damage. How you create the Catherine Succubus look. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial, and this finally concludes our Catherine Succubus tutorial. It has been a pretty long journey with you guys, and I hope that it has done you some good. I will currently be posting here shortly. From now on, the next couple of videos will be about my two daughters. They will be the Angel of Order and the Demon of Chaos. I will be posting both of those, so that way y'all can make your own little outfits for your little girls. If anything, it might help some people who would like to make tutus, because this will show you how to make a full dress tutu to where it's really full, and it will help with all the layers. That way you don't have to worry about having them wear something underneath. And it also shows you how to create any wing of any size, just about. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope that you enjoyed my channel. Please hit like and subscribe.